Ayun, so good morning everyone. Ang i-report po namin ngayon is about responsible marketing for hotels and restaurants. So, cost-related marketing is a type of corporate social responsibility or CSR. So, ano nga po ba si CSR? So, si Corporate Social Responsibilities po. Ito po yung isang strategy na ginagawa ng isang company para hindi lang lumago yung kita nila, kundi pati na rin maging active sila and syempre makukuha sila ng mga positive image ng mga customers nila. So, cost-related marketing in which a company's promotional campaign has the dual purpose of increasing profitability while bettering society. So, in short po, si cost-related marketing, ito po ang mga company na gumagawa ng mga promotional campaign na hindi lang sila yung mga nag-benefit kundi pati na rin yung society. Kasi yung campaign na ginagawa nila ay for a cause. So, bali dito, nakikilala yung company nila or business nila sa paggamit ng cause-related marketing at natutulungan din nila yung mga tao depende sa kung sino man yung pagdo-donate nila. So, dito din, nakakatulong din yung cost-related marketing para mag-raise ng money at increase donations. Then, possible din na mas tangkilikin yung mga products or makakuha sila ng mga loyal customers, lalo na kung makikilala nila na hindi lang basta-basta gusto ni company or business na kumita kundi pati na rin makatulong sa kapwa. Ayun, so meron po tayong 3 main partners involved in cost-related marketing. So, nandun sila company, the consumer, and the cost. So, si company po, sila yung mga nag-agree na donate ng kinita nila doon sa promotional campaign na ginawa nila. Then sa consumers naman, sila yung mga taong nagiging aware doon sa gustong iparating yung company na nag-create ng na promotional video na for a cause. Kaya yung mga consumer, kapag nakarelate sila doon, tumutulong sila or nagdadamit din sila para mas lumaki pa yung maitutulong din nila. Then next naman is yung cause. Ito yung recipient ng mga donations na malilikom din namin. So meron po akong example dito na ipapanood sa inyo. Ito po yung sample ng advertisement ng coordinated marketing ni Starbucks po.
Gemma Miller?
Gemma Miller, please come to room 4.
Hello?
Hello, am I talking to Gemma?
Hey, Dad.
Hey! Carol, you remember my Gemma?
Gemma.
And what's your name?
It's James.
James?
Yan. So, bali po yung napanood yung video. Ito po yung galing sa Starbucks na ang title po niya ay What's your name? So, ito po yung consolidated marketing advertisement na ini-aims po nila na wini-welcome nila yung mga customers kahit paano man yung gender nila. Kasi gusto daw ni Starbucks na ma-feel ng mga customers nila na welcome sila kahit na ano pa man sila. So, hindi nila tinitingnan kung ano man yung klase ng pangalan mo or sino ka pa, basta sila gusto nila na ma-experience sa mga customers nila na meron pa rin comfy space para sa mga tulad nilang medyo confused talaga kung ano nga ba talaga yung nangingibabaw na katawan nila. So, bali si Starbucks po, nakipag-team up siya sa Mermaid, which is ito po yung charity na nag-support sa mga gender diverse children, yung mga young people, and even sa families, para isupport yung LGBTQ plus communities, ipakita sa mga tao na we need to accept those people na member ng mga LGBTQ communities kasi tao pa rin naman sila. So, gusto lang din naman nila na kahit paano na respect sila kahit na nasaang lugar man sila. Next naman po is green marketing. So, sa green marketing po is a practice of promoting products or services that are environmentally friendly or have a positive impact on the planet. So, it involves incorporating sustainability principles into various aspects of marketing such as product design, packaging, messaging, and promotion. So, dito po sa green marketing, pinopromote po nila yung mga sustainable practices. So, para po maprotektahan yung environment natin. So, meron po ako ditong mga video na ipapanood na example po ng green marketing.
I'm Sonia Marañon Sarosa. My husband and I, Edgar, own this resort. After that first hotel, the Village Hotel, we expanded and put up the Residence Inn 2 years ago. We made the other extension, the East Wing, which houses now 40 bedrooms. So we have a total of 90 plus bedrooms and 13 function rooms. So it started that we will plant vegetables so we could provide for the kitchen. And people love, and they would come here and see our lettuce is fresh because we would harvest early in the morning or late at night and then put it on table. From our lettuce alone, from farm to table, we save about 350,000 for that year. And so the waste, instead of just throwing it, we use it for our vermicomposting. That becomes the soil again for the lettuce. And in terms of greenhouse gas emission, we've saved around 65% compared to conventional procurement. Annually, we've saved around 400,000 pesos from producing our own compost material. Additionally, having produced almost 1,000 bins of food waste in the last year and a half, we've actually earned over 50,000 pesos by selling it. And rather than sending food waste to the landfills, by using it as compost and feed for local hog growers, we've saved the equivalent of 104,000 kilograms of carbon dioxide emissions. So I think that's a contribution to the environment. No? So we hope that all who have visited Nature's Village Resort, in one way or another, you have learned, you have experienced what sustainable tourism practices are, and we hope you will do it in your own whatever way so that we can make our beloved Philippines a better place to live in.
So, sa Nature's Village Resort sa Bacolod, diba, nakikita natin sa video, nagtatanim sila ng mga gulay para nga naman ma-serve nila sa mga guests nila na fresh yung food na pinaprefer nila. Then, yung mga waste, di ba, ginagamit nila sa vermicomposting. So, ano nga ba yung vermicomposting? So, sa vermicomposting po, ito po yung process ng mga earthworm. So, sila po yung nade-decompose ng waste para maging cell ulit. Then, yung mga food waste naman nila, imbis na tinatapon na lang nila, so, pinapakain nila sa mga alaga nilang hayop. So, meron po akong isang example dito para sa game marketing. So, sa Macdo Mandaluyong, kung nakita natin sa video kanina, di ba, gumamit sila ng mga reclaimed woods or yung mga nagamit ni Shinobuild. Then, gumamit din sila ng mga eco bricks na gawa sa plastic. Then, meron din silang green walls. Then, meron din doon na solar panel para nga naman makasave sila ng energy. Then, meron din silang rainwater collector para makasave sila ng tubig. Pero, doon lang siya ginagamit sa labas. Hindi siya ginagamit sa loob. Doon meron din silang maayos na parking para sa mga siklista, tsaka meron din silang charging station para sa mga e-bikes. So, kaya po in-apply ni McDonald's yung gatong mga green practices kasi niyang maprotektahan yung environment and maging aware din yung iba pang businesses na mas magandang i-apply yung mga ganitong bagay ng City nun. Hindi lang sila makakatulong sa environment, pati na rin makakatulong din sila sa business nila kung saan mapapababa nito yung kung ano man yung bayarin na makukonsume nila siya. For example na yung sa, sa kuryente, ganun. Kasi meron silang solar panel, kaya mababawasan yung pag-consume nila ng energy. Tsaka para magkaroon na rin ng sustainable future. Ayan. So, meron po tayong iba't ibang key features ng green marketing. So, first, andyan yung environmental benefits. So, ito po yung products and services na market at green. So, for example po, yung pag-recycle natin, di ba, dito, nami-minimize natin yung waste natin. At isa pang example na para iwasan natin yung nagsusunog natin ng mga basura. Sa ganun, ma-reduce yung pollution sa hangin. So, next naman is transparency. So, dito, ina-empathize yung mga environmental products or services na kung paano ito ginagawa. So, andyan din kung ano yung epekto nito sa environment natin and kung ano yung mga standards na sinusunod or kung meron ba sila sinusunod, ganun. So, next naman is yung consumers education. So, ang layunin ng green marketing na ma-educate yung mga tao about sa mga environmental issues na nangyayari sa atin and kung ano yung magiging benepisyo sa atin nito at sa kapaligiran kapag pinili natin yung mga eco-friendly products or mga services. Ganyan. So, pwede siyang mag-provide ng mga informations about sustainability practices and mga eco-friendly na materials or kahit yung mga energy resources. Then next is yung social responsibility. So, ito yung mga gawain na nagpapakita ng pagpapahalaga sa environment natin at ina-apply din yung mga sustainable practices. Then last is the product innovation. So dito, ina-encourage niyo yung green marketing yung mga company na mag-develop ng mga products or services na maaaring maprotektahan yung environment natin. So for example na lang is yung biodegradable packaging na gawa siya sa mga plant-based, like yung sa wheat or cornstarch. Yan. Then, yung mga energy efficient appliances din, syempre, kung saan makakatipid sila sa konsumo ng kuryente. So, next naman is the marketing environment. So, marketing environment encompasses all the internal and external factors that drive and influence an organization's marketing um, activities. So, dito po, pinapakita yung mga factors na nakakaapekto sa kakayahan ng isang company sa pag-build and pag-maintain ng relationships nila sa mga customer. So, yung tinutukoy po dito na external and internal factors, ito po yung micro and macro environment. So, una-una natin i-discuss yung sa micro environment. So, first is the company. So, marketing managers must work with all the departments of the company. So, si company po, ito po yung firm na nag-ooperate ng business kung saan sila yung nakaka-apekto sa performance and decision-making ng business. Next naman is si supplier. So, si supplier are firms and individuals that provide the resources needed by the company to produce its goods and services. So, si supplier po, sila yung mga nasusupply ng equipments o yung mga raw materials na ginagamit sa isang business. So, next naman is marketing intermediaries. So, marketing intermediaries help the company promote, sell, and distributes its goods to the final buyers. So, si marketing intermediaries po, usually, sila yung mga distributors, mga resellers, and yung mga wholesalers. So, next naman is yung demographic environment. So, demographic environment, it is a study of human populations in terms of size, density, location, age, gender, race, occupation, and other statistics. So, nandiyan po yung mga baby boomers, Gen Z, Gen Y, and Gen Z. Next naman po is macroenvironment. So, economic environment. Economic environment consists of factors that affects consumers' purchasing power and spending patterns. So, for example po dito is yung inflation, di ba? Kasi naapektuhan yung pag-purchase ng product ng mga consumers kasi nga nagtaas na nga yung mga bilihan. Then next naman is the global economy. So it deals such as currency exchange rates have a large impact on travel and tourism across the world. So ito yung mga bagay na wala na control si firm or business kagaya ng currency exchange rates. Siyempre, hindi nga naman nila kontrolado yung pagtaas at saka pagbaba nun. Then next naman is natural environment. So, the natural environment consists of natural resources required by marketers or affected by marketing activities. So, ito po yung mga concerns na nakakapekto sa case ni firm or ni business or ni company na like yung mga pagtaas ng mga pollution, ganun. The next naman is technological environment. So, the hospitality industry is greatly affected by changes in technology. So, the internet, computer system, keyboards, and etc. So, sa technological environment, ayun, so dahil nga 'di ba sa technological advancement mas nagiging high-tech or mas nagiging accessible yung mga field sa hospitality industry like sa mga hotels, 'di ba? Meron na silang mga ginagamit na security cards, ganun, unlike sa ibang hotels na yung luma, so wala silang ganun. Then next naman is yung political environment. So sa political environment naman po, it is made up of laws, government agencies, and pressure groups that influence and limit the activities of various organizations and individuals in the society. So, sa political environment, dito po papasok yung mga taxation, which is yung tax ng government. Then, yung mga environmental regulations kung saan ito yung law na kung paano mag-interact yung mga tao sa environment. So, last naman is yung cultural environment. So, cultural environment includes institutions and other forces that affect society's basic values, perceptions, reference, and behaviors. So, si cultural environment, dito po pumapasok yung concept ng isang firm or business na tumutulong na maunawaan yung culture and values ng mga consumers. So, punta naman po tayo sa the marketing piece. So, the 4 P's are linked and work together while various marketing concepts has been developed over time. So, the 4 P's are the basis for every successful marketing strategy. So, the following is the breakdown of each piece. So, ito yung mga product, price, place, and promotion. So, products are commodities and services that solves problems and satisfies the needs of customers. So, the term product refers to the tangible or physical products as well as services. So, si product, ito yung mga bagay na in-offer. Like, for example, yung mga laptops, gano'n, ayun, yun yung product. Next naman is yung price. So, price is the cost of the product that the consumer pays. So, it is important to set a price that reflects the current market trends and is affordable for consumers, yet at the same time is profitable for the business. So, ayan nga. So, si price, ito yung mga presyo ng products or ng isang services. So, si place naman, this is where and how the product or services is purchased by the consumer. So, it is also entails where the product is stored and manufactured. So, si place, ito yung lugar kung saan pwedeng mabili yung mga products and services ng mga consumers. So, last naman is promotion. So, si promotion refers to reaching the target audience with the right message at the right time. So, it gets word out and is an effective way to conduct a sales promotion and connect with the customers. So, si promotion, ito yung mga activities na sumusuporta or nag-encourage sa mga customers para tangkilikin yung isang products or services. And next naman is life cycle assessment. So, it is a process of evaluating the effects that a product has on the environment over the entire period of its life, thereby increasing resource use efficiency and decreasing liability. So, meron akong example na video na ipapanood para mas maintindihan niyo yung kung ano nga ba yung life cycle assessment.
Society faces important environmental challenges. Greenhouse gas emissions increase the Earth's temperature. Industrial pollution and toxic emissions endanger ecosystems and clean water reserves. Important metals needed for electronics and machines are becoming scarce. Fossil fuels, which society heavily depends on, are rapidly depleting. Solving these environmental issues increasingly becomes a responsibility of the producing industry, since it is a main origin of these environmental problems and a large consumer of fossil fuels and mineral reserves. To understand to what extent an industry contributes to various environmental issues, products can be screened using life cycle assessment. This is a technique to assess the environmental impact of a product's life cycle. In life cycle assessment, all stages of a product's life are taken into account. Resource use, material processing, product manufacturing, distribution, use of the product, and end-of-life operations. Life cycle assessment has been standardized by the International Organization for Standardization and gives us the opportunity to measure how the life cycle of a product contributes to an extensive set of environmental indicators. These are grouped in damage to human health, damage to ecosystem quality, and resource depletion. This way, products can be compared by using specific environmental themes. This allows us to answer questions like, which product has the lowest impact on climate change? Or, which product is most toxic to humans? Life cycle assessments shows in which life cycle stage environmental impacts are highest and can even assess individual steps in the production process. This way, companies can decide how to improve the environmental performance of their product. Results can be used for marketing purposes, like product A has a lower environmental impact than product B and C. Or, for R&D, we know how we can improve the sustainability of this product. Sustainable development is the most important challenge of the future, and life cycle assessment gives important conclusions on how to make industries more sustainable. For more
Ayan. So, kung napanood niyo yung video, sa life cycle assessment, in short, ito yung mga systematic analysis doon sa impact ng environment kung saan tinitingnan nito yung kabuuan ng isang product, materials, or yung mga activities na pwede nilang i-measure kung paano nagko-contribute yung product life cycle sa ating environment.
Marketing research po is a system of identifying and analyzing the information of the products or services. Ginagawa po siya para mas maunawaan the marketing ng needs and wants ni customer, and through this po makakagawa ng informed decisions yung marketing team or yung marketing para po sa strategies nila sa product. Principle of responsible marketing. It emphasizes the ethical practices, social responsibility, sustainability in marketing activities. It involves creating and promoting the product and services in a way that is honest and respect consumer rights, and also may positive effects sa society and environment. So here is the components. Number one is transparency, being open about the environmental and social impacts of products and services, including the entire supply chain. Authenticity, ina-ensure na dapat si company or si yung negosyo ay genuine sa pinopromote nilang sustainability efforts or sustainability practices. And hindi sila nag-greenwash or marketing ploys. Accountability, dapat may responsibility or responsible si marketing sa environmental and social consequences ng business and activities and marketing campaigns. Number 4, education. Ini-inform si consumers about the benefits of their sustainable choices and providing clear information to help them make informed decisions. And next is inclusivity, considering the needs and perspective of diverse stakeholders, including marginalized communities and future generations. And continuous improvement. Next is collaboration, working with partner suppliers and competitors to advance sustainability goals and address shared challenges. Publicity, responsible marketing in hotels and restaurants involves promoting sustainability, ethical practices, and social responsibility. And publicity can be achieved through highlighting eco-friendly practices, collaborations with NGOs, and social media campaigns. International and external. Expanding responsible marketing for hotels and restaurants internationally and externally involves several key strategies. Number 1 is cultural sensitivity. Tailor your marketing messages to resonate with diverse cultures and values while emphasizing your commitment to sustainability. The next one is global partnerships. Collaborate with international organizations, NGOs, or suppliers that share your commitment to responsible practices. And certification and standards, cross-promotion with tourist boards, multilingual marketing materials, and social media engagement, international events and trade shows, digital marketing, and collaborative campaigns. Competitive advantages from responsible marketing. Responsible marketing can yield several competitive advantages, including brand reputation, customer trust, differentiation, employee engagement, risk mitigation, cost savings, access to new markets. Sustainable claims and communication is about sa paggawa ng transparency, accurate and relevant claims ni business or ni company para may pakita yung social practices and environmental practices nila. And mahalagang elements ito yung transparency, accuracy, relevance, and consistency to their claims para ma-avoid yung greenwashing or misleading messaging.
Ayan, so that's all po. Thank you.